Oh. I think Amanda let go there.
Ow!
My hands burned. I got dirt in this butt. Amanda's so good at this.
Yeah, I hit myself in the face.
I heard it too. Oh, I like that butt of yours.
Sand was falling in my face from my shoes.
Oh my gosh, sand!
Sand! Hi, come, Stain.
Oh yeah, that's Mitch. Amanda's sexy. Sexy when she's hanging on a pole. Or two dangly things.
I don't know how to do it again.
You should. Amanda forgot. Stay there, stay there. No! Get back up.
Okay. Go back. Go back. No!
Okay.
I have to take this off to do it. Okay.
Holy crap. Okay.
Again?
No.
Yeah, do it one more time.
Oh, I'm scared though. Hold on, wait. Are you kicking me right here?
I feel like pressure on my face so much. Okay. You move.
You should do one of me.